Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Recently, I have been making videos on the hot stock, which are like normally they run like 10%, 20%, even like today AVCT was like 35% up. So I had been making those videos, but it doesn't mean like I don't look at big cap, mega cap stock, and you can have the same amount of gain like 30%, 50% just using options. So I thought in this particular video, I'll just make a video with 4 or 5 ticker symbol which are about to break out so that you can play and you can make some money. So my plan is to talk about ticker symbol DIS Disney, then I have Shopify, I have INTC for Intel, ticker symbol AFRM, and ticker symbol AMD, and there are definitely more, but I just want to talk about these. And as you know, like I love to make videos with using the chart with support, resistance, and everything. So if you find this video useful, let me know. Like this particular video, subscribe my channel. At the same time, you know I have a Discord community. You just have to join my Patreon and you will get access to my Discord. As an example, today we did really good with some shares, and also we had some option alert in the morning. You can see always like pre-market I give some option alert, and some of them really did good. Nvidia was up by $17, Tesla $40, AMD $2.5. So all of them were really good. So anyway, let's go back and let's talk about this stock. And if you do not have Discord, this is also okay. You can join my YouTube community and you can get access to the same thing. Like just 6 minutes ago I shared AFRM. So anyway, let's look at the option and the chart. And not necessarily you have to play option, you can also play with shares if you do not like option. So first of all, Disney, why I'm looking at it, because I see it is hitting a resistance at 153 154 area. So it's a double resistance. It couldn't break today, so it might come down, but keep that to add this particular one to your watch list, because if it breaks 154, I think it might run towards 160, which will be a 6-point move, and we know with call options $6 move can give you $300-400 profit. If it comes down, you can also eye for another level. I would say look for an area around 150. Why? Support here, and again a support here. So you can wait for this to come at 150, or if you see it's not coming, you can just look at this and you can decide when to get in. There could be some other support level right around 152. So we have to see, and definitely pre-market, if we see some movement, I will just alert everyone. So after Disney, I'll talk about Shopify. This is a very expensive stock. At the same time, the options are very expensive. May not be a good one for everyone, but still I just want to talk about it, because if you look at the chart, since 1750 it came all the way to 1300, and now this thing is going back up because it was making lower high. You see the black line, and now it is breaking, right? It has been going up, and I'm not using the normal candle, I'm just using Heiken Ashi, those kind of candle, but if you want you can also look at the normal candles. But why I like it, it gives a clean perspective that okay, everything was red, now things turned and we are in the bullish territory. So that is one other thing. So this is the daily chart looking really nice. If I go back to hourly chart, so you can see that today we had an alert in the morning. It broke through, it went to 1450 and it came back. Hopefully it will test the support around 1400. It will go back up. If 1400 is broken, it might come back to 1357. Very expensive call option or put option, but if you can get in the right direction, you can make a lot of money. The next one is INTC, which is for Intel. And again, this is a nice one. I like it because you can see that stock price was around 45, went all the way to 66, came down, then it was coming down. After the earning, it came down, right? Now, if you look here, the black line here, this is a daily chart. It is making higher lows, right? At the same time, 51.6, this is some kind of a resistance here. So in the morning I was just alerting that okay, look at this particular one, because if we break 51, 52, we might push towards 54 area. So some of the members already established their position, and the call options are not very expensive. Like if you want, let's have a quick look. INTC, and INTC, go for the option price, and let's choose something next year. And oh, this is not INTC, this is INTC. Okay, so INTC. So if I'm looking for a call option on a weekly, or let's look at something on 21st of January next year. I'm sure the call options are not very expensive. You see, the volatility is less. Call options are not expensive. Even if you buy something for the in the money, let's say you buy something 51 strike price, your premium will be 1.9. So your break even is $53. So if you have bought this, you can see 53, 54 is not that far. So just buying this call option, like you will have some time, like 25 days, you can make money because the volatility is not very high, 33. And the important thing is it does not move a lot, like from 51 it can go to 55, 58. That's it. When we talk about penny stock or some high flying stock like AVCT, today we made it went like 35%, but this thing doesn't move that much. So the good thing is the call options are not very expensive, but at the same time, if you're right side on the side, then definitely you can make some money. Then the other one is ticker symbol AFRM. Again, it's the daily chart. Nice looking chart from 170. It came down to 90, almost 50% down. Then it found a support around 94. Now it is curling back up, most probably. And you can see today it went on the other side of the blue line. So we have to keep an eye. So a support is around 92. Then there are some bottom supports around 80 and 71. But hopefully this thing will continue. So let's look at the 1 hour chart here. So you can see today it hit around 108. It came down. Maybe it will retest 103. Then it will bounce back. Or if not 103, I'm looking around 100 or $101 area, because you see one support here, another support here. So we have to see. So AFRM, it will be an expensive one because the stock price is higher. So you can just play as a day trade. You can just buy a weekly option, just get in, get out, buy a call option right in the money. As long it moves, you just make money and get outside. This is nice to see. At 110 strike price, lots of call option, 33,000 volume. Wow, this is really nice. $110. So okay, so this is AFRM, and the last one I want to talk is ticker symbol AMD. And today, like I alerted on my Discord, at the same time on my Twitter page, I said, okay, this is a free nugget, a free gift from my community. So I alerted in the morning. If you do not have Twitter, you can also add me on Twitter, because sometimes I give free plays. You do not have to be a member, free play sometime. So anyway, AMD, what was the idea? The idea was we were watching the area. So this is a daily chart. First of all, it came down and it is curling back up. So our idea was, I'm going back to hourly chart here. So our idea was looking at this particular one. The idea was once it breaks 148, this thing will move, right? So you see it came to 145, then it started going higher, higher, higher. Then again at 152, I was watching for another level, because 152 was another resistance here. So it had some time around 152, then from 152 it is now at 154.7. So even though if you move like $2.5 move, you can make like $100 to $200 depending on what strike price you choose. But what I see here, now we broke through 152. Most probably we will go and retest 157 area. So that will be a nice trade. Again, not very expensive. I will go back to AMD, and just want to look at the one that I played today personally. I think I took the 14 January and 160 strike something. Yeah, so that one was up by 79% today. So for this particular option, $200 profit. So personally, I think I made around $100 profit, then I got out, but many of us is still holding it. So anyway, if you think it will go back to 157 area, you can just choose with another premium, and you can just make some money. Anyway, as long the stock is moving along your direction, you should be making some money. Anyway, it's almost 10 minutes, so I do not want to make a super long video, and just wanted to bring this for you, so that if you want to play with option, or if you want to play with the shares, you can make some money, right? So anyway, let me know your thoughts. Do you want this kind of video on options, so that we like we make money on shares, but at the same time, why not options? Also, nowadays I give alert on my over my Discord, like on, oh, so many things are open. Yeah, so you see dated alert on the shares, and we also have an option site. So anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and also join my Patreon community to get access to my Discord so that we can all make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.